We also have a train here at Gorman. The reason why it looks a little bit different is because this crossing is about to be closed very soon. See, you got things on both sides. Things for the things to be on the road. So this road is supposed to be closed by tomorrow at 9 a.m. or the day after. Are the gates going off at Sacred Highway yet? Oh, and by the way, we do have an eastbound sitting at Whaley Highway. That is the reason why that this westbound is just crawling. So that is a good sign. So that is a good sign of an eastbound next. Is he moving faster now? Is he just crawling? Should this be the one from Romulus? We have the geometry train, which is a eastbound next. We have a eastbound geometry train after this. Anyway, here comes the westbound. Are they going down now? Okay. CP 141, folks. And about that last video about the one sitting at tree, that was not the 131. That was the CP 529. Here comes CP 141, folks. On our Monday extravaganza, folks. Is he moving faster now, Grandma? we do have an eastbound geometry train next. I don't know how long until he will get on the move, but we do have that. But we do have an eastbound next. Oh, and by the way, we do have a blank on here on the westbound. Okay, so that's it.